Hello everyone. Today, let's solve the Leetcode problem number 102. Binary tree level order traversal. So what the question says, given the root of the binary tree, return the level order traversal of its nodes values. That is from left to right, level by level. Nothing but here you can see in the example, we are having 3. This is one level, 9, 20. This is one level. We are not having any values to the 9, so we'll just give null and null, and 15 and 7. So basically the output has to be in the new array, right? This one should be in the new array 3, 9 and 20 should be in the new array, and finally 15 and 7 should be in the new array. The output that we got is 3, 9, 20, 15 and 7. So yeah, same goes with the example 2 and example 3. So I'll just write the code and I'll try to explain with this example itself, the example number 1. So what I'll do, initially, let's initialize the result array to store the node values level by level. So we have to display the result in the array, right? So let's initialize the result array. I'll just give, in my case, result. So next, what I'll do, let's initialize the level variable as well, right? To track the current depth of the tree. So after pushing this one to the array, we have to move to the next level. So after this one, we have to move to the next array. We have to move to the next level, right? For that purpose, to keep the track of the current depth of the tree, we'll initialize the level variable. So it will be let level equals 0, right? Next, what we'll do, we will define a helper function to read nodes at the each level recursively. Again, I'm telling, so we are defining a helper function to read the nodes at the each level recursively. So this has to be read, this has to be read, finally this has to be read, and it has to be added to the individual array, right? So I'll just make use of the helper function. In my case, let me give function read node of, just add the parameters node as well as the level. So level is this one, node this one, we are considering the node, right? So first what we'll do, base case, if the node is null, then we'll not return anything. So that itself is the end of the branch. So I'll just give if not of node, then let's not return anything. That itself is the end of the branch. We'll just give a return. Next case, if the level hasn't been added to the result yet, then we will add a new array for the particular level. So I'll just make use of the if condition, if not of result the level. Then what we'll do, we have to add this one level to the new array, right? How can we do that? I'll just make use of the push in my case, and I'll give node dot value. So this is simple. Next, else what we'll do, if the level already exists, right, in the result array, then we will just push the current node value to it. We are just pushing the value of the node, right? So how can we do that? I'll just give top level. Again, I'll just make use of the push. We're just pushing the value of the node and just give node dot value. This is simple, right? So next, what we'll do, recursively, we have to read the left child node, increasing the level by 1. Basically, we have to recursively read the left child node as well as the right child node, also increasing the level by 1. Initially, this one, left and right, this one, child node, increasing, we have also increased the level by 1, right? So next, we have to read this one and this one. Here, we are not having any value, so we'll come here and we have to read this one. And we have to increase the level by 1 as well. So for that one, I'll just make use of the recursive function, and let's read the left as well as the right child node, increasing the level by 1. I'll just copy this one, in my case, read node. Just give here read node of, for the left node, node dot left, comma, level plus 1. And for the right node, the same thing. I'll just paste the function name, and I'll give node dot write, comma, level plus 1. So this is fine. This is easy. Next, let's move to the next step. So we have to start the recursive reading process from the root, nothing but this one, from the root at the level 0. This is level 0 basically. So we have to start recursively reading the process from the root, basically this one, right? So how can we do that? I'll just give a read node of root, comma, level. So this is one thing. Finally, what we'll do, we'll return the final result array containing the node values level by level. So I'll just return a result. So let me give this return result. So last step, what we did here, again I'm telling these last two things. We are recursively reading the process from the root node at level 0, this one. And finally, we'll return the final result array containing the node values level by level, this level, and finally this level. 3 new array, 3 new array, 9 and 20, new array, 15 and 7. Finally, yeah, we are returning the result, right? So this is what we are doing. So let's see with this example again. So I'll just come here, just give me a second. So yeah, initially what we'll do, as I've said, so I'll just come here. So if we don't have any, if the node is undefined, right, we will stop here itself. So this is base condition, this one. So after this one, what we'll do, we will start recursively reading from the this one, right, root node, this one. First, what we'll do, we will read this one and we will push the value of the node to the new array. This one is done. Next, what we'll do, we will come here. So read node of left as well as right. Increase the level of value first. Here, we will be pushing this one. Create the new array and we'll be pushing the values. That's what we are doing here, right? This one. Next, increase the level plus level by 1 and we will be pushing the this one left as well as the right, this one node, the value of the left node and the right node, right? This one 9 and 20 to the new array. Next, we will get 9 as well as 20. So increasing the value of 1 means we are adding the new array as well, right? So next, we are performing the recursive function, right? Basically here from the 0, this one. Next, this is completed. Next, what we will do, we will come here. We will read this one. We are not having the values for the and this one basically, right? So we will come here and we will read for this one, left and right again. So now it will be 15 as well as 7 in this one. So we are having, now we have 3, 9, 20 as well as 15, 7. And finally, we will return the result. Now, the resulting array consists of this thing, basically this one, right? So when we return the result, we will get this one, 3, 9, 20, 15 and 7. Nothing but this one. That's what we have got here, right? The output. So, yeah. Just give me a second. This is fine. So what is the time complexity and the space complexity? So the time complexity would be big O of n. Why the time complexity is big O of n? Each node in the binary tree is visited exactly once. So where n is the total number of nodes in the tree. So the overall time complexity would be big O of n. So what is the space complexity? The space complexity is also big O of n. Why the space complexity is the big O of n? I mean, why space complexity is big O of n? The result array, I mean RES, this one, right? The result array RES will store all the node values and the recursion stack will also use up to n space. This one will store, this one will store all the node values as well as the recursion stack will also use up to n space, right? Recursion stack, this one we are making use of here. And to read the from the root, basically, this is just the helper function. We are making use of the recursive function. Here also, we are making use of the recursive function to read from the initial level, this one, and this one, right? So recursive stack will also use up to n space if the tree is completely unbalanced. So the space complexity is dominated by the size of the resulting array leading to big O of n. So I'll just come here. Let me write time complexity is big O of n, as well as the space complexity is also big O of n. So let me comment this one. So yeah, this is it. Thanks for watching, guys.